Hi, I'm Casey Truby, the inventor of the paperless overnight 5-minute bookkeeping system. Actually, I invented this for my wife's accounting business. Today, Sue Archer uses it in Michigan for her clients. And here's what it's all about. We're able to cut your back office cost, your total back office operation overhead, by half in the next 10 days. I'll just show you one way it happens. Someone hands you a receipt, you take a picture of it, goes right into your document system and right into your accounting software. Mail comes in, you open it up, throw it on the scanner, it goes right into your system. Your bookkeeper right now is probably doing 200 to 400 transactions a month. We do those for 97 cents, and you're in total control of your business. Imagine this. You've got a dashboard. You know exactly how much profit you made on every job, what advertising is working, how many hours people work. You've got all the details and data right on your screen. And questions like, did we get paid? Or, hey, did we pay our American Express bill? All of those are just one click away to the original source document. All information is available all the time. If you're at the bank and they want to see tax returns, it's a quick download right off your iPhone, your iPad, or even your laptop. And your staff comes to work, they log on to their digital dashboard, click on their name. There's a list of today's work ready to go. They not only know what to do, but how to do it. You're a totally organized business, so all these stacks of paper go away. All this chaos goes away. To learn more, all you need to do is give us a call. In about 10 minutes, I can tell you if this will work for your business or not, or fill in the form above, and we'll be happy to send you the complete video. Thank you.